Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we have a magnificent car here for you guys. We have the 911 993 Turbo in the striking red color. So a couple of cool facts about this car. It's the first 911 Turbo that is all-wheel drive. It's also the first 911 with a 6-speed manual instead of a 5. And then it's also the last generation of 911s with an air-cooled engine. So this car is here for a paint correction and interior detail, and then we're also going to remove the wheels, detail them, as well as the wheel arches.
All my life, I feel it in my veins, feel it in my blood. You know I can't stop till I'm good and done. I'm gonna push it harder, gonna climb up higher. It's like I just can't miss. I was made for this. I show the world I'm stronger. Prove it to them I'm a fighter. I can't help but win. I was made for this. I was made for this. I was made for this.
So the paint decontamination is done now, and we move the car into the detailing bay where he is now busy with the paint correction.
Every time I take a ride, I feel alive with nowhere to go. I'm the king of the road. You're the queen of my throne. Riding high day and night, satisfied wherever we roam. You're the star of the show. You shimmer like gold. Now baby, let's ride. We got nothing but time. You get all the reaction. You're the main attraction. It's no surprise. Gotta like your style. You're the perfect distraction. You're the main attraction.
So this legend of a car is done and it looks brand spanking new. I mean, just look how glossy this paint looks. So just to give you guys a recap, we did an interior detail, a paint correction, and then we also took off the wheels, we detailed them, as well as the calipers and the wheel arches. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and remember to hit that bell icon if you want to get notifications of any of our future videos. See you in the next one.
Won't waste another minute, no I won't. I'm a man on a mission.